Well, listen, so again, if you go back to as a homeowner, the most important thing to do is you're hiring a contractor, okay? I know a lot of people wanna hire people, and that's great, but you're not hiring the salesman, you're hiring the company and their reputation, how well the install's done, everything that stands behind that company, okay? And so the most costly thing you could do is hire the wrong contractor for any home improvement project, okay? Everyone, including myself, has horror stories about they hired a contractor. Like we did a big master bathroom remodel, and like 2 months later, all the tile cracked, and we had a toilet in our bedroom for like 6 months. Everyone's got something like that, even me, and I'm a contractor, okay? So it's so important to hire someone that knows the ins and outs, that's an expert in the product, that the guys are manufacturer trained, but they just go so far above and beyond, because you need it to be installed exactly like the manufacturer specified. But you also need it to look good. So the thing I talk about all the time is like, there are jobs I go by every day where the hardy looks like it's installed pretty well, meaning that like they follow some basic requirements, but it looks terrible. The touch-up's terrible, the caulking's terrible, none of the cuts are straight. Or even worse, like I drive by homes every single day in new construction modeling where they never tape the seams of house wrap. They don't tape the windows. It's just a moisture management water leak waiting to happen. And so like the cost of hiring a wrong contractor, most hardy jobs cost like $35,000 to $45,000. Some are obviously less, some are obviously more. 70% kind of fall in that big middle. And if you're gonna spend it'd be like buying a car where the engine was installed wrong. You're probably gonna have to buy a new engine. And so don't spend $35,000 to $45,000 on average and have to fix it 3, 4, 5 years later. Or don't settle for a job that's installed correctly, but it looks terrible.